Do you ever find yourself stuck on a problem, unsure of the next step? Imagine if you could approach any challenge with a clear, confident mindset and solve it like a pro. Today, we're diving into critical thinking hacks that will empower you to tackle problems with ease. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to think smarter and solve faster. And before we dive in, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to help us bring you more life-changing content. Motivational quote of the day. The problems of the world cannot possibly be solved by skeptics or cynics whose horizons are limited by the obvious realities. We need men who can dream of things that never were and ask why not. From John F. Kennedy. Now, let's start building the critical thinking skills you need by. Step 1. Start by asking the right questions. Every great solution begins with asking the right questions. Instead of focusing on the problem itself, ask questions like 1. What's causing this problem? 2. What are the possible solutions? 3. What resources do I need? This will help you dig deeper and understand the issue from all angles. For example, if your team is missing deadlines, don't just ask, "Why are we late?" Ask, "What systems can we put in place to improve efficiency?" Step 2. Break the problem into smaller parts. Big problems can feel overwhelming, but breaking them into smaller, manageable parts makes them easier to tackle. Think of it like solving a puzzle. Focus on one piece at a time. For example, if you're struggling with a research project, break it into steps like finding sources, outlining, drafting, and editing. Step 3. Challenge assumptions. Sometimes, we get stuck because we assume there's only one way to solve a problem. Take a step back and question the assumptions you're working with. Ask yourself, 1. Is this the only way to approach the problem? 2. What if I tried something unconventional? For example, if a business is losing customers, don't assume it's just about pricing. Could it be customer service, product quality, or even marketing? Step 4. Use the power of what if thinking. What if thinking is a game changer for creative problem solving? Ask questions like 1. What if I had unlimited resources? 2. What if I had to solve this in 24 hours? 3. What if I looked at this from a completely different perspective? This opens up possibilities you might not have considered. Step 5. Consider multiple perspectives. A fresh perspective can reveal solutions you wouldn't see on your own. Seek advice from others, or try to view the problem from the eyes of a beginner, a competitor, or even a future version of yourself. For example, if you're struggling with a marketing campaign, think, how would a customer view this? What would a competitor do differently? Step 6. Leverage the power of mind mapping. Visualizing your ideas can help you see connections and patterns. Use a mind map to brainstorm potential solutions. Start with the problem in the center, then branch out into possible causes, solutions, and resources. Step 7. Prioritize and execute. Once you've brainstormed potential solutions, prioritize them based on their feasibility and impact. Start with the solution that gives the highest results with the least effort. Remember, action is key. Critical thinking without execution doesn't lead to results. Step 8. Reflect and learn. After solving a problem, take time to reflect on what worked and what didn't. This builds your critical thinking skills for the future. Ask yourself, 1. What steps led to the solution? 2. How can I improve my problem-solving process next time? Now, you have to understand that critical thinking isn't just about solving problems, it's about approaching challenges with confidence and creativity. By mastering these hacks, you'll be equipped to handle anything life throws your way. So, what's stopping you from becoming a problem-solving master? Question of the day. What's one problem you've solved using critical thinking, and how did you do it? Share your experience in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who loves solving challenges, and subscribe for more empowering tips and strategies. Remember, every problem has a solution. You just need the right mindset to find it.